Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the era of tech. This is the new topic today, the electrical automation system. Let's start. An electrical automation system is a setup where electrical devices and systems are controlled automatically with minimal or no human intervention, using various technologies like sensors, controllers, actuators, and softwares. In simple terms, it's when machines, lights, motors, or entire processes are automatically controlled and monitored using electrical and electronics systems. Sensors detect physical conditions like temperature, motion, pressure, and so on. Controllers like PLCs, which is programmable logic controllers in four words, which process data and make decisions. Actuators, devices like motors, valves, or switches that carry out actions. And even what HMI and SCADA. HMI is a human machine interface or supervisory control system for monitoring and manual control. The common use of automation system the first, how to say, manufacturing for automated assembly, release breedings, like writing HVAC, security systems, like utilities, for example, water treatment plants, power grids home, and even what automation, like smart lighting, thermostat, and security. Let's take an example of smart home, right? In a smart factory, a production line machine continuously to monitor its own performance, adjusting speeds as needed to maintain optimal efficiency. Sensors detect any potential faults in the manufacturing process, telling the machine to automatically slow down or even stop production to prevent defects from being produced. If critical issue arises, such as an overheating component, the machine can initiate a shutdown to avoid further damage or without the need for direct human intervention to identify and address these problems. The automation system can take a place. So this is an example. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Be ready for the next tutorial.